Okay, so in this activity, we're going to be playing Loteria. And you know that Loteria comes with beans, not just with any other thing, bingo markers or anything like that. We're Mexican, so we use beans. So basically here, it's asking, is 5-2 a solution to this system? Now this is going to be a lot easier than the previous assignment because you don't have to actually graph anything. You can just put it in bracket form. So it's y, that symbol, which you find it right here, and then it's going to be 1 divided by 2 to the right, x plus 2. And on the bottom, we'll fix the other one right now, bracket y, that symbol, less than negative 2x minus 3, and close it off with brackets. Now it's given us a point. That means that we need to change this to y1, x1, y1, x1. And we're going to put here y1 equals, x1 equals, and y1 equals. We're going to type this point in. My x value is a 5, and my y value is a 2. See how they're not both ones, they're not both trues. They both have to be true, so this one I will have to say, no, this is not a solution to it. Now let's go over here to this bottom one. And I'm going to, it's y1, oh, I'm just going to delete everything just to make sure. Oops. So I'm going to type in this first one here, bracket y1 greater than 2 divided by 3 to the right, x plus 3. Oops, I forgot to put x1. And then I'm going to go right here, bracket y1 less than negative 4 divided by 3 to the right, x minus 3. And I'm going to put here x1. Now that I have that, it says, is 0, 0 a solution? So I'm just going to put here 0, 0. Then I go up here and see how they're both not true. So I will have to say, ladies and gentlemen, that this one, it is not a solution. They both have to be 1 for it to be correct. I'm going to delete, and I'm going to delete, and I'm going to type in this one. As you can see, the x and the y are on the left side. It's going to be y equals divide this lonely number, negative 2, opposite of x, negative 2x, divided by the number in front of the y, which is a positive 2. Then we have y equals divide here, because the x and the y are on the left side. This lonely number is 6, opposite of 15x, minus 15x, divided by the number in front of the y, which is a 3. And I forgot to put brackets, that's okay. I'll just go back and put it, and put here y1 and x1. I'm gonna, again, brackets, y1, x1. And it says here, is 0, 0 a solution? So as I can see, they're both undefined because I forgot to change the symbol. I'm glad that I looked into it. So this is equals, and this is going to be greater than, and this one is going to be less than. So as I can see, now they're both ones, which will make the equation true. So again, in order for it to be yes, they both have to be ones. Let's try the last one. So it's going to be bracket y equals divide. I'm going to put y1. This lonely number, which is a negative 4, opposite of x, opposite of plus 5x, minus 5x, divided by the number in front of the y, which is a 2. Then I'm going to put this one right here. y1 equals divide. This lonely number, negative 2, opposite of x, minus 2x, divided by the number in front of the y, which is a 2. And I forgot here to put x1, if not, it's not going to work, and x1. It says here, is 0, negative 3 a solution? So it's a 0 and negative 3. So I see that they're both undefined, that they're both not true. So that means that this is a no. And that's all you're going to do for these. Again, a quick recap. You're going to put the first equation in brackets. Do not forget to put y1 and x1. The second one, the same thing, brackets, y1, x1. And then put in the point that they're giving. If they're both undefined or not true, it is not true. They both have to be ones in order for it to be the correct solution.